Managerial communication is a function which helps managers to communicate with each other as well as with other employees within the organisation. Communication helps in the transfer of information from one party, also called the sender, to the other party, called the receiver. Possible barriers to communicating freely and clearly in diverse groups are clashes in opinions and perspectives between group members, differences in communication styles, and language barriers between participants. After researching and discussing these different barriers, it was our decision to choose clashes in perspectives because we thought it was the central problem when working in the group environment, and most other issues which occur are as a result from group members being unable to compromise and work past personal opinions. It is the inevitability of individuals having different views and thinking. As individuals, we are defined by our attitudes and experiences, in which overall heavily determine what we value and how we think. Thus, the clashing of different perspectives can often occur in the workplace, and is an issue that businesses in general will encounter.
While transparency is a ubiquitous term in contemporary corporate communications, it's ranked the lowest in corporate communication. It's reported that by being transparent in communication, managers gain a better insight into what communication can contribute and are able to discuss their role at a more strategic level. Furthermore, transparency in communication is also about communicating honestly and effectively. Poor communication creates low morale and low productivity. To overcome this, managers need to be open and honest with employees when communicating. This can be achieved by conducting a town hall meeting in organization. Any issues and queries raised in town hall engagement will be weighted and taken into consideration by the manager or his delegates. Response to such queries can be settled in further focus groups discussion in order to bring to closure on the issues raised by employees. As we have discussed this in week 4 lecture, the town hall meeting encourages learners to engage and give them a chance to voice their opinions. This is very similar to working environment, where town hall meeting gives employees from different departments an opportunity to interact with each other For leaders, they have an opportunity to hear directly from people at diversified levels. This way, management team is seen as visible, honest, and takes responsibility and accountability on any staff pertinent concerns. In return, staffs will feel a sense of belonging to the enterprise. Therefore, town hall meeting is chosen as a possible solution. It creates a place for leaders to connect with the audience at a personal level and instantly respond to their concerns.
After planning, the attention falls on the meeting's logistical aspects. Setting a convenient time and place is important, as it can assist in establishing the mood of the meeting, because other than the basic steps on organizing a town hall meeting, it is to be noted that these gatherings should be implemented with an atmosphere for employees to feel at ease, respected, and valued. Town hall meetings should not be conducted as a monologue, but as a dialogue instead. Hence, Woodward pinpoints that the most important step to be taken by managers of an organization after these held meetings is to provide a follow-up survey for the employees. Taking feedback into consideration is a crucial part, as it overall measures and evaluates the effectiveness of these meetings. Thus, managers in contemporary organizations can reference these to conduct more efficient town hall gatherings. They could then utilize the feedback onto future improvements to ensure that the next meetings to be even more successful. From the benefits provided by implementing this solution, this means the settling and preventing of possible perspective clashes can be achieved.
Created using Powtoon.